Hello, everyone. So right now we're in my dashboard for Morar AI. This is a text-to-video AI app that just actually opened up for beta on January 30th, 2024. So basically, I was invited into the program, and I've been playing around with it, and it's really just very interesting. I forgot how I found out about it. I think I was doing research about a story for my newsletter. By the way, this the Gen AI Lookout newsletter, link in the description. And I basically saw this and I said, oh my gosh, I would love to get in on the AI, on the beta version of this to see what it's all about. And thankfully they said, okay, go ahead. So I've been playing around with it, and you can generate from 1 second video up to 5 seconds. And you can decide which styles you want. You go from 2D animation, there's anime, there's graffiti, and there's a whole bunch of ukiyo-e art. So you can decide how you want it to be rendered. The script itself, okay, let me give you a little backdrop. Again, this is the beta version. They're just really improving it. It's not open to the public yet, but it's still pretty good with what it can do. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's for something that is brand new, it's doing pretty well. Okay, the scene prompt, you just basically put in the idea of what you want for the scene. Now, I think the length of this is, I'd say the length of a tweet, so about 280 characters. You can't really put much into it right now. As far as the script, and this is the interesting part about it, is that the audio that you can add to it. Now, these audio, I've heard some of these voices before, so I think I've heard them in like high-end stuff, like Revoice and stuff like that. And they sound really good. Now, as far as the script is concerned, I think you can only put in something like 50 characters in there, which is a very short sentence. So let me go ahead and do a rendering. Now, the rendering at this point is not very quick. I think when I was greedy and I did 5 seconds because I wanted to see what the maximum would look like. And I wanted to see how long it would take. So it actually took for 5 seconds about 10 minutes. So I would, of course, once I get that in there, I'll come back to what it's done. All right, so the first thing I'm going to try this one. I actually came up with something already. Winged fairies dancing in an enchanted forest, or a dance in an enchanted forest, filled with lush flora. I think I'm going to keep it simple and just show you guys what it means. And then we're going to go, as far as style is concerned, I am going to go anime just to see what would happen. And then the script is going to be, as the fairies dance, they haul the rain. So what you saw there is, I guess it has a minimum number of characters for you to put in, and then as you pass that minimum, then it counts down to the remaining characters. And the way it looks right now, it's looking like the 40 character range, 40 to 50 probably for right now. As far as the voice is concerned, you can go ahead and test the voices and see which one you like. Let me see. There's Anna, and you can listen to what Anna sounds like.
Hi there. It's really lovely to meet you. I think you should pick me to read your text, as I'm the best voice.
Hi there. It's really lovely to meet you. I think you should pick me to read your text, as I am the best voice.
And then there's William.
Hi there. It's really lovely to meet you. I think you should pick me to read your text, as I'm the best voice.
All right, so for this one, I think I'm going to choose, I think I had chosen Alice at one point. I'm going to try Alice.
Hi there. It's really lovely to meet you.
Yeah, Alice is pretty cool. I think I'd worked with her voice before. So let's go ahead and generate, and when it's done, come back and I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, we're back, and that did take about, I'd say, 7 or 8 minutes to actually render. So I'm excited to see what it came up with, so let's take a look.
the fairies dance, they call the rain. Oh,
That is actually really cool. It's nice. And I like the way that it just, they move around. Of course, the images are kind of not as or indistinct right now, but it's still a really cute rendering. And this is, again, in the anime style. So we can go ahead and we can do, the other styles, the black and white sketch, a cute futuristics, and all the other ones. But I like the fact that it comes together and just does the images, the motion, and the audio to go with it. I do hope at some point, whenever they get this ready for public, that they have a little bit more on the script side. 5 seconds is still pretty good. I mean, everybody else is doing about that, 3-4 seconds in animation, AI animation motion. And, the scene prompt, I think that's a 280 characters or roughly a tweet is a good size for a scene prompt. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I know there's some really great stuff out there as far as Gen 2 and Runway ML and all the other ones. But again, this is a beta and this is just coming out, and I think it's actually really good, and they're trying their best to be very complete in what they're offering as far as the images, the motion, and the audio to go with it. So let me know what you guys think about the Morar beta so far, or let me know what else you think about maybe the audio and the scene prompt or any other elements of it. And thanks again for your time. Again, when you have a chance, check out my Gen AI, sign up for my Gen AI Lookout newsletter once a month, maybe twice a month. And I'll, again, link in the description for that. And I will see you guys in the next video.